This is the introduction and some basic functions in Excel. I will open Excel. I type here Excel. The program is here. Double click open to open it. Now Excel is opening. Now I will create a blank worksheet. There are so many templates available. You can open a suitable template depending your nature of work, and then work on it. Otherwise, you can click a blank workbook and start afresh. Okay. Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft. This is mainly used for data entry jobs involving numbers and texts, etc. You can make calculations like sum, average, and other calculations in Excel. That is the advantage, and you can do many database functions also. So this is the Excel spreadsheet. This contains number of rows and columns. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are all called rows, and A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and so on, so on, so. These are all called columns. So we will talk about cell. See, we are going to enter the data in the cells. In these cells, these are all every square type is called. These are all cells. This is a cell. Now the pointer is in. This is the pointer, cell pointer. This is in F6. This is a cell, and the name of the cell is F6 because it is in the intersection of F column and 6 row. So each cell is referred by the place where it is situated. This cell is situated in the intersection of H column and 8th row. So this cell address is H8, like that. So this address will be shown here where the pointer is, and either you can see H and 8 like this, or you can see here in the name box it's showing H8. So wherever we move here, it will show I11 because it is in the intersection I and 11. Okay. So whenever you want to refer this particular cell or any cell in a formula or anything, you have to give this name I11 like that. Now how to make data entries here? You just go to a cell where you want to type something. Now I am going to A1. I have gone to A1 is displayed here. A1. Now I am going to type something. Vidyalaya school. So you can you can just hit the enter key, so it will accept the data, and it is moving to the right. When you hit the enter key, it is moving to the right. So next data, supposing you want to enter here, you can enter. Supposing you want to enter data like this in all rows one by one, when you hit the key, it's going to take right. So you want to change the direction so that next data you can easily enter. If it goes here, again you have to come down by typing the down arrow, by hitting the down arrow and left arrow key like this. So you can change the direction of this key, the enter key. When you hit the enter key, the direction you can change. For that, you have to go to the file option and file and options, and advanced, file options and advanced. Click advanced. When you click advanced, there is a panel appearing here, right? So here after pressing enter, move selection, it is showing. So here right direction is right, right is already selected. That's why when you hit the enter key, it's going to right. So here you put down, you select down, and then say here OK. Click OK here. Now whatever you enter, Vidyalaya School, Nagappa Street. I'm typing the address Nagappa Street and enter. Now you see this pointer is coming down instead of going right. It's coming right down. So it is easy to make the next data entry. Nagappa Street, Bangalore, something like that. And supposing you are going to enter data like this, means you can make again you can go to a file and options and advanced, and here in the direction, after pressing enter move direction, you can select this drop down menu. You can click and change the direction, down, right, down, up, so many directions you can change. So this is one way of entering. And that other thing is, you want when you enter something here, next cell, something you enter, this is hidden, partly hidden. Actually this is full available. Vidyalaya School is fully available, but it is hidden by the overwritten, not overwritten by this. For actually it is there, but we cannot see this fully. So because this column width is less, you are not able to see it fully. So you want to expand the column width, so you keep the pointer between these two, A and B. We want to increase the width of the A column. So in between that, if you click the pointer and double click, when you click double click, it will expand to fit full length of the Vidyalaya School. So when then it is visible here. This is the formula bar, whatever you enter, immediately it will be visible. See when the pointer, where the pointer is there. Now the pointer is in A3. So A3 is showing here, and the contents of this A3 cell, it is displayed here also. This formula bar. This is the formula bar. It's displayed here also. So like that you can go on entering. And another thing is, the main thing is, this is the ribbon, the topmost portion from here to here. This is called a ribbon area. It contains lot of menu and commands. So we'll see how to use these menu commands later on. For time being, you know this. We'll meet in the next video. Please keep practicing some entries. Thank you. Bye.